Hi Aries, welcome to your daily plus weekly reading. So, in this reading, I'm going to be talking about the entire week, going day by day, and this is for the week 17th of August to 23rd of August. So, let's see what's your overall energy for the week. Have we have a page of fire. All right, let's see what else. Let's see, 16. 17th, I'm sorry, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Okay, so we have a Nine of Earth here for the 17th of August for you, Aries. I feel like you're going to enjoy life or find that zeal finally inside. You may also want to do some kind of planning in your mind and be just by yourself here. Yeah, I see a lot of fruitful ideas are flowing to you on the 17th of August here, Aries. With the Seven of Cups appearing here, you may be a little confused with all these ideas or which idea you want to act upon first. We also have a Ten of Swords and a Five of Swords here. So I'd say try and rest your mind a little bit because thinking too much is somewhere working on your nerves and causing you fatigue. So going one by one on your ideas, or better still, just pen down these ideas and you can, start working on them. Whichever is most important, go by that first. And with the Five of Swords happening here, I definitely see this day to be a very fruitful one for you. I also see your opponents getting defeated here, or someone not being able to hold a candle to your light. That's what I'm getting for you on the 17th of August here, Aries. That looks nice. With the 18th of August, we have a page of water, and I feel that a lot of your abilities or thoughts and ideas that were playing on your mind on the 17th of August, I definitely see that these ideas are growing. They are definitely not dying down. Someone new could also enter your life on this day. This is the 18th of August. New relationship may also begin. You could even walk away with some project appreciation at this time. Yeah, you guys, you keep getting wands upon wands here. So much fiery energy. I also feel you are finally beginning to take action on something you've been thinking for a while now. Or this could even be you've had these ideas, you've been thinking about these ideas in the past few weeks or past few months, but here I see that 18th is looking really good, where you may be pushed from within to go out and do that. That's your energy for 18th of August. Let's see what I'm getting for 19th. So we have a Three of Earth. Wonderful, wonderful. So Aries, here I feel with the Three of Earth appearing here, something that I saw on the 18th is definitely giving you a lot of recognition, or your work is being appreciated or is reaching the right kind of place, people, a position, authoritative position, I want to say. Okay. And with the Nine of Cups appearing here, I also feel that you guys are feeling pretty proud of yourselves. So that's a happy feeling inside. And at this point, I have this feeling that you know what you want to do on the 19th of August. You just have it in there. It's like everything is so very well organized in your mind that you know what you want to do. And you're still going deep within. Every answer you seek is coming from you, to you from within. And with the Eight of Swords here, I feel that at some point you may feel that the answers are either not flowing to you very quickly, or resolution to your situation is not happening. Some of you may even feel that you need somebody to come in and help you with some of the work, to share this workload. Yeah, with the Six of Cups, as I say this, I definitely see that someone coming into your life, or some kind of help and support is coming into your life on the 19th. Yeah, that's looking good for you, Aries. You guys are on fire. So on 20th of August, what I am getting is it's time to take a little rest because there's the four of air. So you have been doing a lot of thinking. You've been working very hard. You've been stretching yourself, some of you Aries, or overstretching yourself. And here I'm saying don't just rush into a decision. Take some time off. If you want to sleep, just go and get that nap. You might get the much needed guidance that you were feeling is just not being given to you on the previous day. And here on the 20th, I feel that, oh my God, the card is also standing for meditation here. So it definitely says that, some of you finding meditation difficult or difficult to ground yourselves, just go sleep. I can that's the best you can do at this point in time, and you will see you will be divinely guided when you wake up. You will have your answer. What else? With the Queen of Pentacles, need I say more? The answer that you get is the one that you should be working upon. Precisely, this answer is not coming from you. This is coming from a higher source, and this higher source is also a very powerful place. Yeah. Wow. Queen of Pentacles with the card of the Sun. 20th of August is a super day for you, Aries. I feel a lot of your ideas that you've had in the past, they were divinely guided. They still are. And I see you working on these ideas. With the Three of Cups here, you're going to be so happy with the decisions you make on this day, or some of these ideas that have intuitively come to you. You will be very, very happy about these ideas if you happen to bring them into your life. There could be abundance, a little more than you expect, or some good news, or nothing is going in vain here. Something that you're working on in these 3 days, 18, 19, 20, and nothing is going in vain here, Aries. Sooner or later, there is reward. 21st. 21st, either you could travel, communicate with someone far, or living away from you. Distance is a matter. Okay. Wow. So some of you could even be, catching up with a friend, or those of you in a relationship or singles could be hearing from someone who's living away from you. This could be through a social media platform. Okay. For some of you who have already had an inkling about somebody stepping into your life, I feel you could, have your doubts removed on the 21st of August. I feel someone is definitely coming into your life with the Knight of Swords appearing here. I feel someone coming in with a lot of, it's just, they're just rushing in. That's your energy for 21st. 22nd. Okay, so we have Ace of Air here, Aries, for 22nd. Some kind of brilliant idea is definitely flowing into your mind, and again, this idea is divinely guided. Or some of you could even get to know about the reality of a situation, or truth may be revealed to you. Yeah, so Ace of Air succeeded by the High Priestess. I feel that something that was either hidden or not coming to surface may just come to you into your knowledge right now. Wow, we also have the card of the Moon. So I feel lots of moon energy here. I also feel that something has, or someone has been, observing you from a distance. It's like they've been stalking you on a social media platform, or keeping a tab on all your activities. Yeah, but somewhere that they are not making that move. They will. The Page of Pentacles is here. They will. So something that was hidden previously, or someone who had been keeping an eye on you, had been watching you, may come to the fore, though they may not appear to be so important at that very moment, but you will see. There's also a Ten of Swords here. Why is the Ten of Swords here? I feel, some of you Aries could be cutting ties with some people in your life, either removing toxic people, or you have been wanting to get away from a relationship, or you feel that something is not working out for you. So some of you are definitely cutting ties with some people on the 21st. This was 22nd, I'm sorry. And now coming to 23rd, we have the Five of Fire. Wow. So much fire energy here. With the five of fire appearing here, I feel that your mental energy is very, very strong on the 23rd of August. And the Ace of Pentacles appearing here tells me your ideas, you are not going to stop at anything, is what I am being told. Again, we have the card of the moon. So this energy that surfaced on the 22nd of August, it's still there. It's not completely out. So you might have to deal with something from the past, is what I'm getting. You'll get away with it. Don't worry. We have a page of swords. Something is moving away, or this could even be an emotion or a memory or a person or a memory from your past life, past days, your childhood days surfacing now, and you are just victorious. You have learned to walk away and not, oh my god, even as I say you've learned to walk away, we have the Eight of Cups here. So Aries, do you see the power of the guides when they are trying to tell you or speak through me? They're also giving you a validation, a visual validation of what they're trying to get across to you. You are definitely walking away from something, some people, some energy, some thoughts, some ideas, some emotions which weren't for your highest good, and you understood. You have known that all along. 22nd was the day when I see you, or just as the day was setting in, you have realized what you need to get rid of from your life. All right, Aries, that was for you for the week of 17th of August to 23rd of August. Please do comment and let me know if how all these energies are just playing. This is like a fiery week for you guys. I love it. Bye bye. Okay, but before I go, I'm going to draw out an angel guidance for you for this entire week. Angels, please show me what message you have for Aries for the entire week. What? So many. Give me just one. We have peace. So the card says that peace comes from remembering that only love is real. And I feel that you're being guided to love yourself here, Aries. Yeah, this is for you to love yourself here. Establish that bond with your inner being um, more strongly now, is what I feel, because you're already getting so much guidance from the higher side, and that wouldn't happen if you already weren't in alignment or getting there. And now it says that peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So whether it is for yourself or those around you, only love is real. That's the message for you for the entire week. Bye bye. Take care.